good here.
I'm out.
Shooting some blockers.
Don't drive out.
You just hang tight.
Putting up some armed cover.
Watch out, enemy there. In progress. We're already in the next ring. Good. More time to loot.
I heard something next to us.
Reloading.
Wish you could get up here. You know, I could win this thing. I'm right in dead center.
I'm gonna put Sheila up.
Oh, wait till they get on order.
Just try to
You
keep
might
an
be
eye
able to
on.
get up here, right in the middle of this thing. There's a.
Oh, I got Sheila here. I'm.
What's wrong? Lacking in the winning command.
They're all fighting.
Right
The last team's in.
Don't leave anything good here. Thermite out.
I got.
I'm
Sheila
burning the
up here.
fuck out of me right now.
Let's turn it up, mate.
Opening shot.
Right, 10 seconds, rings nearby, get... Putting up some armed cover.
Get shields on Josh.
Time's up, and we're not in the ring. Thermite out.
One below.
We're about.
Well, I don't know. They're. One was right there. One in. The bird's eye view.
2 in a row, dude.
You know what's funny is you were healing and I was so proud you were in a perfect spot and I covered you. And I'm like, you know, I can cover you from up here, but maybe I'll go for the win too because there's 3 guys fighting each other and I just shot over there and then they just, it's like, you won. I'm like, what?
Dude, I was filming their asses pretty good. They're the only damage I had the whole game.